Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert page break in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to select the document that we want to edit. Then we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. And after that, in the top row, we have to tap on the plus icon. If you scroll down, there is page break. If you tap on this, then there is going to be a page break where we wanted to insert it. If you wanted to have it in another place, we can just remove it and then add it there. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.